Hey guys, and welcome back to Help Click. In this video, I'll show you what the Hormone Harmony by Happy Mammoth is, what it offers, and how to use it. So let's get started. According to the official Happy Mammoth websites, Hormone Harmony is a dietary supplement formulated to support hormonal balance in women of all ages. The company says that it's designed to help support healthy hormone levels and improve mood, like promotes better sleep, reduce occasionally bloating, and assist with weight management as a part of a healthy lifestyle. All other things are included here. And according to the websites, the formula contains a blend of plants, extracts, and nutrients. As you can see here, 72 plant-based capsules per jar. If you want, as you can see, you can scroll down to see the ingredients. As you can see here at the bottom, you'll find all the ingredients, a short description about it. So you can view it yourself, or you can do your research about those yourself. Before purchasing, it's a good idea to carefully review the ingredients and lists. And remember that hormone related supplements may work differently for each person. The company recommends consistent use, but individual results can vary. So doing your own research before spending money is always a good idea. According to the official direction, you'll have to take 3 capsules once daily with a cold drink such as water or juice. The company says that you can take them at any time of the day. And if you want, or if you are new to the supplements or have some sensitive digestion, you may wish to start with 1 capsule daily and gradually increase to the full serving as your body adjusts. So if you decide to purchase, as example, the Hormone Harmony, you'll have to visit the Happy Mammoth website and choose the package that best fits your needs. 1 jar, 2 jars, or 4 jars. And before completing your order, you'll have to review the pricing, shipping information, refund policy, and any subscription option. So they do offer, as an example, 60-day money back guarantee. So for you to review everything, so you know exactly what you're purchasing, and take your time and make sure you're comfortable with the products before spending any money. If you have any questions before purchasing, you can review the frequently asked questions section that you may find this at the bottom of the page, as you can see right here. So frequently asked questions that you may find. And if you have other questions, you'll find the contact us section where you can, as example, find other questions or where you can contact them directly if you have other questions as well. And as with any dietary supplements, make sure to consult your doctor or healthcare provider before using it, especially if you are uh, or if you have a medical condition, you are pregnant, breastfeeding, or you're taking a prescription medication. Also, make sure to do your own research and only purchase if you're comfortable with the products and its ingredients. If you found this helpful, hit that like and subscribe button and watch our next video.